Hi guys, welcome to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to fix the black screen problem on Netflix. It is very simple, so let's go ahead and get started. So if I go to Netflix and also I'm watching a video, it all of a sudden goes to a black screen. There's a couple ways to fix this. The first thing you can do is search and see if Netflix is down right now. So I'll go ahead and put is Netflix down. You'll then see down detection. I'll go and use that one right here. As you can see, users report indicate no current problems at Netflix. If you're having problems, go ahead. It would then tell you right here whether or not. Another thing you can do is go to settings. You can then scroll down to click on general, then go to iPhone storage. Once you're here, you can then try to find Netflix. You can just search it in the top right corner. So Netflix. Once you have found it, you can then offload the app. All this will do is free up storage used by the app to keep its documents and data, so you don't have to worry about any of your data disappearing on Netflix. Once you're done offloading the app, you would then want to reinstall the app. Then clear it and open it back up and see whether or not you keep getting these problems. But these methods should work, so I hope this video does help. If it did, please be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subs by the end of the year, and I cannot do it without your help. Just want to say thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.